Well, a very good morning to you all. Calum Martin here, speaking to you live from my studio here on the lovely Isle of Lewis. What a lovely morning it is here today. No place in the world I would rather be when we've got the sun than here in the Western Isles. So, hope you're going to be able to join me this evening for my Ceilidh. There'll be the usual mixture of Gaelic songs, country songs, 60s. I'm hoping to have my own son, Donald Malcolm, DM, along with me to help me and do a couple of songs himself. And so on this channel that you're seeing this, I'll be there tonight. So it'll be my Facebook channel and also my YouTube channel going out at 9 p.m. this evening. So looking forward to seeing all the regulars there and looking forward to seeing you all. And there's Ishbal Grant already. Morning, Ishbal. I didn't think anyone would be up this early. I thought everyone would be out for their walk here on this island this morning. So looking forward, I'm sure you'll be there, Ishbal, tonight, along with all the other regulars. And we're really looking forward to it. I've got so if you want to do any dedications, I've pretty much got my set list ready. But feel free to put any in. I'll give you a quick look. Let's see if I can. Yeah, there they are there. Okay, but dedications, absolutely. Send your dedications in, especially those who are maybe wishing that they were back home on the island here that are abroad, because we really enjoy singing songs for them. So, Norman, good to see you. Hope to see you tonight. So, thought I'd just jump on board and do a live thing rather than my usual sort of trailer that we do for these Ceilidhs. And because who cannot be in a good mood on a lovely day like today? So yeah, hope to see you all tonight, 9 p.m. And we'll have some fun. Okay, bye for now. Bye.